you see anything in it?
What is with this? You have it on.
Yep, I got them on there. There you go.
That's not doing double. It's just giving you a clear.
There's a 4-pointer.
Trying to get a buck though. I didn't get any good.